Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to change the language on your Google Maps application. If you want to change the language setting on your Google Maps application, then first of all, you'll need to go ahead and open up the Settings app from your device. Simply tap Open Settings on your device first and then scroll down and tap on General on your iOS device, System on your Android. Inside the page, look for the Language and Region button. Simply tap on that and select the language you'd like to change to and drag it all the way at the top of the screen to choose the language. Now, applying this setting will restart your device. Tap on Continue in order to do so, and the app will now display in the language you set for your device. So that was how you can easily change your language setting on your Google Maps app. You will need to change your device's language setting so that it can be changed on your Google Maps application as well. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.